In this video we will learn how to add travel request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the travel module on top navigation bar. So here you can see travel request form. Click on the Add New Request button to add a new request. Next, select the travel mode and employee from drop-down. Enter trip start and end date. Select reason type and enter reason for travel. The user can add an attachment if required. Click Next button for further travel details. Select departure and arrival details from drop-down. Then click Next button for travel mode details. From drop-down select travel time, mode and class. Then click Next button for pick and drop details. Enter pick and drop details if required. Then click Next button for accommodation details. Enter the required data and selection from drop-downs. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.